Hello viewers, I am Marco and welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show you one accessory for Kawasaki Ninja 300. That accessory is manufactured by me, and now come closer, I will show you all about the accessory. So you can see this is the accessory. This is split type grab rail for your Kawasaki Ninja 300. I will provide the stainless steel bolt, two spring washers and two plain washer along with this split type grab rail or split type grab handle. Now let's go straight and I will show you how to install them in your Kawasaki Ninja 300. You can see here is one point for mounting your stock grab rail. So for your information, the Ninja 300 models which is having this kind of part just hanging down from the body of your Ninja 300, they will be able to install this split type grab handle or split type grab rail. So basically the Ninja 300 which have been produced after 2018, they are eligible for this split type grab rail. Now I will show you how to install this. So this is the right hand side split type grab rail. So first I will put them like this. You can see how easy this is to fit. After that I will take one bolt, then I will put one spring washer. After that I will put this plain washer and I will tighten it like this. The bolt is inserted. Now I will tighten it. It is tightened properly. Now I will install the left hand side grab handle. So once again I will take one bolt. After that I will put this spring washer. After that I will put this plain washer. Now I will take this grab rail and I will install it like this. Now I will tighten this bolt with this wrench. You can see this side is also installed properly. Now I will give you a close look of this split grab handle. Now I will show you how beautiful this is looking. You can see that it's looking extremely fantastic. It's looking so nice. Its fitting is exactly like OEM type. Here you can see the finish. It's so smooth and anybody on the pillion seat can very comfortably grab this grab rails or grab handles. Now I will demonstrate you how strong this grab rail is. For example, I will just lift the bike with the help of this grab rail. In case of a fall, you can use this grab rail to lift your bike like this. See how much strong this grab rail is. So there is no question about the build quality of this grab rail. Many people have questioned that whether this single point is strong enough to hold this bike. But yes, I will tell you once again that this single part is strong enough to lift your bike for your pillion to grab and for your every need, be it pushing the bike backward or pulling the bike frontward. Now it's time to disclose the price of this much needed accessory for your Kawasaki Ninja 300. So the price of this split type grab rail or split type grab handle is rupees 3000. If you are in India, then there is no shipping charge. But if you are not from India, then don't worry, I will ship it to your country. But for that, you need to pay me the shipping cost additionally. If you like the video made on this split type grab rail, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, then show it in form of thumbs up. If you want to be notified regarding my videos in future, then click on the notification icon and select all to be notified. And at last, thank you for watching till the end.